What if contracts could enforce themselves automatically? No lawyers, no paperwork, no middlemen. That's the power of smart contracts, and they're the backbone of Web3. Hi, I'm Daniel Madden, CTO here at Meta-Earth. In this video, we'll explain what smart contracts are, how they work, and how Meta-Earth uses them to power a more transparent and decentralized future. A smart contract is simply code that runs on the blockchain. It contains a set of rules. If this happens, then do that. Once deployed, it executes automatically when the conditions are met. You can think of it like a vending machine. You put in a coin, choose a snack, and if you've inserted the right amount, the machine releases your item. No cashier, no trust required. The rules are built in. Smart contracts bring that same automation to the digital world. They allow strangers to interact securely without relying on intermediaries. Because they're on the blockchain, they're transparent, verifiable, and tamper-proof. Here's a list of what they could do. They can send or lock tokens, manage staking, run decentralized exchanges, issue NFTs, or even govern DAOs. They're the engine behind everything we call Web3. But they're not just for crypto trading. They're programmable agreements that can manage identity, coordinate communities, and connect real-world data. And that's exactly how we use them at Meta-Earth. Smart contracts on Meta-Earth automate UBI distribution, DAO governance, staking rewards, and roll-up interactions. They make sure every process runs transparently, fairly, and most important, securely, without relying on centralized control. For example, when a verified user completes their MEID, a smart contract automatically mints one permanently staked MEC token. No admin approval, no delay, just pure automation. The same technology secures votes in DAOs and ensures all transactions are recorded immutably. Smart contracts are what make Web3 unstoppable. Once deployed, they can't be censored or altered. They're redefining trust itself, replacing humans with open, auditable code. Meta-Earth's mission is to take that power and make it accessible to everyone, turning complex blockchain systems into simple, human-focused tools. So next time you hear smart contract, think of it as the invisible code running on the new internet. Follow us to learn more about Web3 and blockchain.